I am a work in progress. And that's perfectly okay. I embrace the journey of growth and learning, knowing that each step, no matter how small, moves me closer to the person I aspire to be. I release the pressure to be perfect, understanding that imperfections are what make me unique and interesting. I choose to focus on my strengths and celebrate my accomplishments, both big and small. I'm capable of amazing things, even if I haven't discovered them all yet. Today, I choose to be kind to myself. I forgive myself for past mistakes, recognizing that they were simply opportunities for growth. I release any self-criticism that holds me back, replacing it with gentle encouragement and self-compassion. I nourish my mind and body with positive thoughts and healthy habits. I recognize that I am worthy of love and happiness, just as I am. I'm surrounded by opportunities for growth and expansion. I open myself to new experiences and possibilities, embracing the unknown with curiosity and excitement. I trust in my ability to navigate challenges and overcome obstacles. I believe in my resilience and inner strength. I am capable of handling whatever life throws my way. I choose to focus on the present moment, savoring the simple joys and appreciating the beauty that surrounds me. I am grateful for all the good in my life, both big and small. I acknowledge the abundance that flows to me effortlessly. I radiate positive energy, attracting more positivity into my life. I am a magnet for good things. I attract healthy relationships, fulfilling opportunities, and abundant success. I am open to receiving all the good that the universe has to offer. I trust in the timing of my life, knowing that everything unfolds perfectly in its own time. I am enough. I am worthy. I am loved. I am capable. I am strong. I am resilient. I am growing. I am becoming the best version of myself. And that is more than enough. I choose to live each day with intention, purpose, and joy. I embrace the present moment and all the possibilities it holds. I am grateful for this life and all the lessons it teaches me. I am filled with hope, optimism, and unwavering belief in myself. I am ready to embrace the future with open arms and a heart full of joy. I am creating the life of my dreams, one step at a time, and I am so proud of myself for how far I've come.